Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make steamed egg. Microwave steamed egg. So first we need egg. Either you can get a chicken, make it lay an egg, then take that egg, or either just get an egg that you just bought. Crack it. Add some water. Sesame oil. Doesn't really matter how much, but try not to add that much. Next, get yourself a bowl, put it here, pour it in there. You see these bubbles?
一点都不能浪费啊。
You can add anything you want, but I don't add anything anyways. You want to press kitchen timer? I'm just kidding. Press auto defrost. 4 pounds and then start. Take your spoon. Super hot. Time to eat my breakfast, so guys, peace. Bye, have a great time.